Good morning, children. Today we have to do exercise 12.2. So, first question is determine the following are in proportion or not. So, here you are given with four numbers. You have to find out whether these numbers are in proportion or not and how to do it. First of all, you will find the ratio for first and second number, and then for third and fourth numbers separately. You will find out the ratios. Okay, so like 15 ratio 45. Now you have to reduce this. You can write the ratio as fraction also, that is 15 upon 45, like this also. Now it's up to you how you want to do the question. So 15 ratio 45, we know that it can be reduced on the table of 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. Now you have to find out the ratio for third and fourth numbers, like 40 ratio 120. So 0 से 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 1 ratio 3. So on solving first and second numbers, the ratio is 1 is to 3, and third and fourth the ratio is 1 is to 3. That means both the ratios are same. Since both the ratios are equal, so these numbers are in proportion. So in this way you have to do this question. B part 33, 121, 9, 96. First of all, you'll find out the ratio for first and second number. 33 ratio 121. So these two numbers can be reduced by the table of 11. 11 threes are 33, 11 11s are 121. So 3 ratio 11. Now for third and fourth numbers, the ratio 9 ratio 96. 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, and 3 twos are 6. The ratio which you will get is 3 ratio 32. So 33 ratio 121 is not equal to 9 ratio 96. So therefore these numbers are not in proportion. क्योंकि ये ratio same नहीं आया, इसलिए ये numbers are not in proportion. C part 24, 28, 36, 48. 24 ratio 28. 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28. हमें एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जो इन दोनों को कट कर दे. 4 6 are 4 7 are. Now for the ratio of third and fourth numbers, 36 ratio 48. 6 6 are 36, 6 8 are 48. Now you can reduce it on the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So the ratio will be 3 ratio 4. Now here you will get 6 ratio 7 and here 3 ratio 4. Again both the ratios are not equal, so they are not in proportion. Now D, E and F parts you can do yourself. ठीक है, बस आपको फर्स्ट और सेकंड नंबर का रेशियो निकालना है, फिर थर्ड और फोर्थ का रेशियो निकालना है, चेक करना है अगर दीज आर सेम रेशियोज देन numbers are in proportion. If the ratio is not coming same, then numbers are not in proportion. Okay, now come to second question. Second question is you have to write down T for true and F for false against each of the following statement. This is the statement given to you, means this ratio is proportion to this ratio. In the question, he is giving the ratios in proportion, means he is assuming both the ratios are equal. But you have to find it out by reducing the ratio of first two numbers and then third and fourth numbers. If the after reducing the fraction, if both the fractions are coming same, ठीक है ना, if both have equal ratios, then this is true, otherwise it is false. So first of all, I'll find out the ratio of 16 and 24. Both numbers can be reduced by the table of 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So it is 2 upon 3. Now on solving 20 ratio 30, we can write the ratio as fraction also. So 0 to 0 cancel, 2 upon 3. As both the fractions are same after solving, so it is true. B part 21 ratio 6, proportion 35 ratio 10. पहले आप 21 ratio 6 को solve करेंगे. The numbers can be reduced by the table of 3. 3 7s are and 3 2s are. 35 upon 10. 5 7s are and 5 2s are. Again both the fractions are same, so it is true. C part 12 ratio 18, 28 रेशो 12. 12 रेशो 18 को सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा, 2 upon 3 आएगा. 6 के टेबल से कट हो रहा है, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Here 4 sevens are 28, 4 threes are 12. So 2 upon 3 is not equal to 7 upon 3, so it is false. In this way you will do D part, okay, D part, E part and F part. See, I'll tell you about E and F part because these are the decimal numbers जिनका आपको फ्रैक्शन जिनका आपको रेशियो सॉल्व करना है. 5:2 and 3 5 decimal 2 and 3 decimal 9. So you can write it as fraction 5.2 and upon 3.9. 5.2 का डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे तो 10 आएगा. 3.9 का डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे तो 10 आएगा. 10 से 10 कैंसिल. नाउ यू विल गेट 52 upon 39 and these both numbers can be reduced by the table of 13. 13 4s are 52, 13 3s are 39. So after reducing the fraction you will get 4 upon 3. Now on the right side we have 3:4. So 3 upon 4 कट नहीं हो सकता बेटा, 3 upon 4 ही रहेगा. Both the fractions are not equal, so it is false. Now 0.9 ratio 0.36. Again you can write it as fraction 0.9 upon 0.36. आप इसका डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे तो ऊपर 100 और इसका डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 10. Again 0 से 0 cancel. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 5 upon 2 you will get. And on solving 10:4 you'll get again 5 upon 2 as both the fractions are equal, so it is true. और बेटा इसको सॉल्व करने का एक दूसरा तरीका भी हो सकता है, लाइक 0.9 रेशियो. मैं डेसिमल पार्ट को आपको सॉल्व करके बता रही हूँ. आप इसको यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट डेसिमल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इस तरह से कर लिया आपने. अब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 9 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट 900. 36 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट 360. 0 से 0 कैंसिल. अब 9 के टेबल से कट हो जाएगा. 9 1s are 9, 9 0, 9 1s are 9 and 0, 9 4s are 36. फिर आप इसको 2 से रिड्यूस करेंगे. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. अगेन यू विल गेट 5 upon 2. या तो आप ऐसे करिए बेटा या फिर ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज ईदर ऑफ द मेथड. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 अगेन वी हैव सेम मेथड. स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या नहीं आप दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे, like 40% and 200% and ₹15 and ₹75. दिस इज इक्वल गिवन. अब आपको बताना है ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या नहीं. पहले आप अलग अलग से दोनों को रेशियोज को सॉल्व करेंगे. 40:200, 0 से 0 कैंसिल. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. हेयर अगैन ₹15 and ₹75. उसको सॉल्व करेंगे 15 upon 75. ऑन व्हेन यू सॉल्व दीज रेशियोज प्लीज रिमूव द यूनिट्स. 15 1s are 15, 15 5s are 75, 1:5. Now this is also 1:5, this is also 1:5, that means it is true. Okay, again in B part 7.5 liters and 15 liters is given and 5 kg ratio 10 kg. You have to solve it. 7.5 upon 15 also you can write it as a fraction. Then remove this decimal. Here you will get 10 multiplied the denominator by 10. So you will get 75 upon 150. On reducing 75 1s are 75, 75 2s are 150, you will get 1 by 2. Now solve this. 5 kg ratio 10 kg. 5 upon 10 which is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. तो 1:2. तो दोनों जब इसको सॉल्व किया you will get 1 upon 2, 1:2. इसको सॉल्व किया you will get 1:2. That means it is true. Rest all the parts you will do yourself. Now in question number 4 again you have to determine whether the fractions are in proportion and you have to write it. If the ratios are in proportion you have to write down the middle terms and the extreme terms. Whereas middle terms are these are the middle terms of the ratio, okay, and these are the extreme terms. जो end वाले terms होते हैं उनको आप extreme terms कहते हैं और जो एंड के पास वाले होते हैं बेटा उनको आप कहते हैं मिडल टर्म्स. दीज आर द मिडल टर्म्स. ओके, अब इसमें सॉल्व करने के लिए फिर से आपको क्या करना है बेटा, आपको देखना है कि पहले यूनिट सेम है या नहीं. ठीक है, नहीं है तो आप उनको सेम करिए. बिगर यूनिट को स्मॉलर में कन्वर्ट करिए. 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स. सो आई राइट इट एज 25 सेंटीमीटर रेशो 100 सेंटीमीटर. 25:100. अब यूनिट्स को हटा सकते हैं आप सॉल्व करने के लिए. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. Now let's solve this these ratios for ₹40 and ₹160. Units are same. So 40:160. 0 से 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Here also you will get 1:4. Here also 1:4. Since ratios are equal, these are in proportion, and middle terms if you want to write down, तो middle terms है, और middle term और extreme terms आप कब लिखेंगे, जब ratios equal आएंगे, अदरवाइज आप नहीं mention करेंगे, ना ही middle terms ना ही extreme. जब ratios equal आ जाते हैं तभी हमें middle और extreme terms को लिखना होता है, otherwise not. So 1 meter and rupees 40, these are the middle terms, and 25 centimeter and rupees 160, these are the extreme terms. So in this way you have to do all the questions. I am telling you D part 200 ml and 2.5 liters and rupees 4 and rupees 50. अब 200 ml में और 2.5 liters में units are not same. First of all, you'll convert 2.5 liters into milliliters. 2.5 liters equal to 2.5 multiplied by 1000. And on multiplying, you'll get 2500 milliliter. Now, these two numbers have same units, 200 ml and 2500 ml. So, 200 ratio 2500, 20 से 20 cut, 2 ratio 25. Now, we have no number which can reduce both the numbers. ठीक है? They are in their reduced form. So, rupees 4 and rupees 50. So, 4 ratio 50, 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are. Right? Now, both the ratios are equal. So, these are in proportion, and middle terms you want to write down, these are the middle terms, 2.5 liters and rupees 4, these are the middle terms, and 200 ml and rupees 50, these are the extreme terms. So, in this way you have to complete your exercise 12.2. Thank you and have a nice day.